Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I want to give a huge shout out to the Kenmore Elite bagged canister vacuum. You guys, this is going to be your best friend, especially if you have pets or allergies. This has several attachments, and one of them is the pet power attachment. It is going to just really be designed to suck up all of that pet dander, all of their hair and fur and fluff and all of that kind of stuff, and really be designed to get in there and get all of that out. It even has a special design that's really unique, that's going to mean that all of your pet's hair, even if you have a dog or a cat that has really long thick hair, it's designed specifically to not get all tangled up in the attachment, which, if you've used pet attachments in the past and maybe you have a really floofy dog or a floofy cat, they don't always work out very well. This is designed specifically for that problem, so all that hair doesn't get trapped in there. It doesn't get caught up. It's going to continue sucking up all of the hair, all of the dander, all of the debris in your house. And not only that, it is going to run it through a HEPA filter. So it's going to remove 99.7% of all of those allergens in your environment and get rid of them. So that is just really going to help anyone with allergies, especially pet allergies. This is going to be a huge game changer for you. This vacuum also has a telescoping arm, which is so convenient and so great. Not only is it really lightweight and easy to use, this is going to be great. It telescopes up to 10 feet, so you can get into those tight spaces, get in those like weird little nooks and crannies, get into your stairs and your car. You guys, this is an amazing vacuum, especially if you are one of those car people that are always keeping your car really spick and span and detailed. You're gonna want this because it's going to be a great friend for just having that telescoping arm up to 10 feet, getting into your car. It's gonna be really convenient, really awesome. Gonna get rid of that pet hair. No more clogging, no more struggling, no more digging hair out of the attachment. Ew, that's gross. And HEPA filter to get rid of your allergies. You guys, this is an amazing product, an amazing vacuum cleaner. If you're thinking about it, go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be really happy with it.